possibly playing against the Warriors in the first round. Great pass by
Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy Huasindo, and I'm back talking sports. Check this out, bro. I wanted to do a video so y'all could see. That pass right there, Larry Bird did that in the 80s, bro. Steph did a pass like that, I believe in 2015. The behind the back, not looking. Larry Bird did that in the 80s, and Steph did that, like I said, in the 2016 season. I'm not seeing Nikola Jokic, and I really hate to keep making Nikola Jokic videos, bro. But the gassing that y'all got for this man is real, like real nasty, bro. Y'all niggas saying he better than Wilt, Hakeem offensively, and that's just not true, bro.
big fella right there. You read that all the way. I love his patience for a big man in the post. Great pass right there. 3 guys on you. Make your teammates better.
Oh, good screen by Jokic. Just buried. That is behind the back to Chandler.
The same pass that Larry Bird did in the 80s, and I'm going to show y'all the pass.
It was actually over the head to Chandler, and a score. As sweet as it gets, Nikola Jokic doing his thing. Wilson Chandler and Gary Harris doing their things. Coming back to Bankers Life Fieldhouse.
Jokic back in, Houston's back in, 1.4 in regulation. Jokic. Harris, good if it goes. Denver wins. Jokic running out of time here. Finds Gary Harris.
Floppy floater. Flew out of bounds. Water polo pass. Beasley. Score!
Nobody do a entry pass like Larry Bird. You can go watch Larry Bird do a pass just like that, bro. I'm sorry, but I gotta break down this transcendent. You know what I'm saying? His playmaking is just so transcendent that it makes him a better offensive player than Kobe or Wilt Chamberlain. Like, I really want to see.
Wow, how about that for your 10th assist? And watch his 10th assist off the turnover. Easy to run. Minnesota fell asleep. Wiggins nearly got there, but baseball pass. Murray's got it. Puts it away. Oh, what a pass. That kind of started it. And then watch this long pass. He didn't even get it to the other hand. Wow. Oh, what a rebound. Trying to get the foul. Nikola Jokic.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, stop. Look at this. Where are you looking? Where are you looking? Oh my goodness. I mean, that's like...
That's a great no-look pass. He's an exceptional passer, the best big man passer ever. I give him that. But they gassing him a little too much, talking about he the greatest offensive center of all time. Somebody said he was a top 10 offensive player of all time, which is cool. You believe that, that's fine. But saying he the greatest offensive center of all time that's cap, and that's disrespectful, bro. And his passing to me his playmaking it may be the best part of his game. But it's still not something I haven't seen before, bro. Like, for a center, yeah, maybe, yeah. You could say that. But just a player in general, like the playmaking he's doing and the passing and stuff, I done seen a lot of this from Larry Bird. I done seen some of this from Magic. I'm just keeping it real.
Double figures in 11 of 12. Volleyball out. Barton for 3. Yes! You want to make those. They're switching everything and then trying to front in the post.
Hitting calls on the other side. Just watch a quick.
Larry Bird did that one touch pass too. The one-handed touch pass. He did that too. I'm just about to really show y'all.
Tap.
Just a heads-up play. That's where you know your team. Once he knows where his teammates is, not even really looking at him until he's already tapped it.
I mentioned Magic 8-4.
From the field. How about last night in the NBA? What a wild night. Oh, beautiful behind the back.
Beautiful pass. Beautiful pass.
Pass on a hop from Millsap.
Moutier in the lane to Jokic. Picks it back. Oh! Another pass from Jokic! Misses his first shot. It's an air ball. Moutier to Jokic. And the extra pass! Whoa! Manimal with the...
Now, let's go to Larry Bird passing. And I'm going to show y'all a lot of these same passes, bro.
Larry Bird doing his number. Look at this. Starts in, draws the crowd, and knows that Parrish is going to be open.
The behind the back, Larry Bird doing this in the 80s, bro.
Creates. Court beats Ames in the right corner. He's trying to save and does to Bird. Back to Ames in the corner. He drives baseline and fires good. Johnson. DJ gives it up to Bird. Right of the lane. Backdoor to Jim Paxson. He lays.
Right in the pocket.
Bullet pass again by Bird. Behind his body bounce pass.
And it was a blind pass. I mean, he just knew. He didn't even look at Parrish. He knew Parrish was going.
Dark in the field for Scott Hastings. Down to DJ. That's it back.
You see what I'm saying? A full court pass. He was doing this in the 80s, bro.
And the Celtics slow it up. Bird fakes the three. Behind the back to Minifield. Two. Yes. Batted up by McHale. Back outside to Bird. And the Celtics keep it alive on the offensive board. Down to the pack, and they're all jumbled up there. Bird hustling down. Larry Bird, great effort. Look at that pass.
You see what I'm saying? He's doing these passes in the 80s, bro. Larry Bird, to me, is the most underrated passer in history, bro. I don't think people, like, really understand how great of a passer Larry Bird is.
McHale gets it after Pinckney kept it alive. D. Brown. Nice. Bird's no look to Pinckney. And
No look.
45 left. Bird out of the pack, and they're all jumbled up there. Bird hustling down. Larry Bird, great effort. Look at that pass. McHale gets it after Pinckney kept it alive. D. Brown. Nice. Bird's no look to...
You see what I'm saying? Dude running right down. No look. Put him right in position. Larry Bird's playmaking was so underrated, bro. That's why I have him slightly above Duncan now. I have him slightly above Duncan. I do. Because I think offensively it's not even that close, like with Duncan and Bird offensively. Like he averaged 10 rebounds for a small forward, bro. Like, so that's why I have Larry Bird 6. This is amazing.
5:45 left. Bird the steal. Lead pass to Maxwell. Say goodnight. Bird looking to pass, then puts it on the parquet and finds McHale dropping back. This, boys and girls. It is. Rolls around. Bobby Jones picks up to Clement Johnson. Deep. Quickly. Lewis is going to pull up and miss. Bird with the one-touch rebound.
The one-touch pass in the 80s, the same pass that Nikola Jokic did that they going crazy over.
Bird the steal in the forecourt. Himself goes by Seaston on the cut. McHale.
See what I'm saying? Behind the back, pass it, hockey pass, right to the hockey pass, right to the dude. Leads to a bucket.
Williams. It's down to a 4-point lead. Bird unleashes the Fox.
From McHale the rebound. Outlet to A. Rockets with a 2-point lead. 7 minutes left first quarter. Bird behind the back. The Dennis Johnson in the foul.
pick. Okay, now he's going to take Lewis Thor back. Defense is going to try to help out, and you see, just as soon as James Bailey went over to him, at least.
Bird to Parrish. Gamble taking it away. Bird behind the back for Gamble.
Come on now. A swing, a 360 pass. A 360 pass, and he passed it right back. Come on, bro.
Is going to try to help out, and you see, just as soon as James Bailey went over to him, at least.
Bird to Parrish. Gamble taking it away. Bird behind the back for Gamble.
Come on now. Jokic ain't did that. A 360 whip around pass. Then he passed it right back. Come on now. Basketball IQ. Because you knew he was going, Larry Bird knew he was going to travel right to him. And he was going to be wide open. And he passed it right back. I'm going to end it on this, bro. I love Nikola Jokic, but his playmaking is a little, it's a little overrated, bro. Because I just showed you almost 2 minutes of highlights, Larry Bird highlights, where 3 or 4 of those passes that Nikola Jokic did, Larry Bird did those in the 80s. So I know people going to laugh at this video, besides my subscribers, when I share it everywhere. But Larry Bird playmaking is really up there with Nikola Jokic's. Let's be real. I just showed y'all. So this has been Who Is Hendo with another video, man. I'm out.